In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the ICT Turtle Soup indicator in Tradingview Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get everything set up so the indicator is ready to use on your charts. First, open up your Tradingview chart like you normally would. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it's usually along the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click that. This is where Tradingview keeps all of its built-in and community indicators. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click directly on that search bar so it's active. This is where you can type in the exact name of the tool you're looking for instead of scrolling through a long list. Now, type ICT Turtle Soup into the search bar. Make sure you spell it correctly so Tradingview can find the right script. As you type, you should see results appear below in the list. Look for the ICT Turtle Soup indicator in the results. Once you find it, simply click on it once. Tradingview will automatically add it to your current chart, and you should start to see new markings or signals appear over your price action. After the indicator is on your chart, move your cursor over its name in the upper left-hand corner of the chart area. You'll usually see a small gear icon appear next to the indicator's name. Click that gear icon to open the settings. This is where you can customize how the ICT Turtle Soup indicator looks and behaves. Take a moment to review the available options. You might be able to change colors, line styles, or certain input parameters depending on how the script was created. Adjust these settings so they're easy for you to read and make sense with your existing chart layout. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK or close the settings window, and your changes will be applied right away. At this point, your ICT Turtle Soup indicator should be fully active and customized on your Tradingview Pro chart. Finally, if you haven't signed up for Tradingview Pro yet and you want to unlock the full experience, make sure to use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with all of my future tutorials using the same tools and features.